Hello WordPress devs. So in this video we are going to talk about Local Supercharged add-on built by Sid. So yeah, version 2.0 has been released, and what is it all about? So yeah, so you probably know that Axios got compromised and it has mostly like 100 million plus weekly downloads. So a lot of websites affected by that. So yeah, in version 2.0, vulnerability scanner is there. So let's go here and you can download version 2.0, but yeah, latest version is 2.1. So I have downloaded it and already installed on my local. So yeah, version 2.0 is there. Now apart from the vulnerability scanner, there is one more thing which is added in that latest version, which is database snapshots. So you can snapshot your database at the particular point of the time, and then you can switch between those database. So let's understand one by one. So I'm gonna go to one of my site and I will go to tools, and here is the tab for the scan. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open one of my package.json and I'm gonna scan this copy file package over here. So the format should be package name at version, so 2.4.1. This is not the exact version, but I know I have this version installed. Exact version you can find under your package.log file. So now I can scan through all the local sites. If you don't select any of this, it will scan for the current site. So I'm gonna just scan through all sites, and I found two entries over here. One is in the node modules folder and another one is a log file. So now you know from where this package is coming from, whether it is installed or not, you can find over there. So this will just scan the package on your system. It will not identify as it is vulnerable or not, but it will help you remove or update or downgrade to wherever it is installed on your system. So let's say you got a news from copyright files or Axiom is got compromised. So you can quickly scan whether it is installed on your system or not, and then you can copy the path from here as well, and then you can remove, upgrade or downgrade whatever you want to do. So this will just to identify whether the surge package is there on your system or not. So there are three options. If you don't select anything, it will scan from the current WordPress site. Otherwise, scan from all the site. It can scan the global installation, and it can scan the package cache as well. So this is the vulnerability scan. Now let's go to the database snapshots. So for that, you have to go to the database, and here is the snapshot we can see. But for that, let me see this site. So go to database. Site must be running. So let's start the site. And let me go to WP admin. So what we're gonna do, we will create a snapshot before adding a post and after adding a post. So here we have only one post. So I'm gonna say before new post. So it created a snapshot. Yeah, this will take time based on your database site. This site is just a demo site, so it has not big database. So now I'm gonna add a new post. This is new post, and I will publish it. Okay, so now we have two posts over here. So I will say after new post. Okay, now I'm gonna restore before the new post. So let's see what happens. So snapshot has been restored. So if I refresh this, new post should not be there. Okay, it will. This is now. Okay, so yeah, the it is not there in the restored version. Now let's say I'm gonna restore it to after new post, and let's refresh this. So new post is there. So yeah, snapshot thing is really good. I often use this type of feature during the development work. So for the developer, this is going to be very easy to switch between versions of your site. So that's that. This is all about new add-on called Local WordPress Supercharged. If you have any doubt question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video.